Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about the system I'm following to make sure that 2025 is gonna be the most productive year ever compared to the previous years that you have not been able to achieve certain goals, whether these are financial goals, fitness goals, relationship goals, whatever it is. So I'm gonna tell you about the system I'm following that can help you achieve your goals for the next year. So let's dive into it. So it all starts by having this is what I call is the brain dump idea. So this is a certain normal notebook that you have, and any idea that comes up to your mind, just dump it in this notebook. Just write it down, because that will help you declutter your mind. Any ideas that are swirling in your brain, distracting you from thinking or taking a step to achieve a certain goal. So you'll write all down here, because sometimes an idea comes up and disappears after that. So you want to make sure it's written down. That makes it easier to organize and take steps step by step to see what works and what not. So that's what I call the brain dump idea. You're gonna have this notebook, write down anything that comes to your brain and have it there. Because in the future, in the next maybe month or two, when you look back on this notebook and check on each and every thing that you've written down, you will find out that at that time it was a very small idea, but it could be something bigger in the future. You might take steps to implement it and makes it something bigger. So that's the first step when it comes to dumping all your ideas into the notebook. So the second step is having another notebook, which I call the implementing steps notebook. So what we're gonna do in this notebook, as you can see, it's in the blue color. It looks good because that's what's gonna motivate me to start taking steps. You know, it has to be looking good. That's why I brought the blue color. It gives me a lot of energy, and it says here, follow your dreams. So it's something really well designed for what's the purpose out of it. So what we're gonna do in this notebook, we're gonna write down, for example, January's goals. So I'll take one or two of the ideas that I have here in the brain dump ideas notebook, because for example, here I've written down that I wanna, for example, start working on my own brand, my own clothing brand. So I'm gonna put here in January's goals, I'm only solely gonna be focused on working on that goal only, to see where I'm coming by the end of the month. Is it something that's really worth it to continue working on it on the next few months? Then I'll be putting some additional goals for this exact certain step. So that will help you always be on top of things, because here I will have things that I took from here. It's a lot of valuable ideas that I dumped down here, and take each and every one of them, implement some for January, some for February, and then you gotta see the bigger picture in the future, which one is really worth it to work on and continuing. So for step 3, I use different apps on my phone, which actually helps me to be on top of things and stay organized with everything I wanna do. So those 3 apps, first one is called the HabitMinder. So this app is really one of the best apps that helped me to be on top, tracking my daily standard tasks that I want to do each and every day. No matter if you got busy, no matter if you got distracted through the day, if you're traveling, if you're on a plane, no matter where you are, you're able to do those tasks each and every day. That's why you have to make it simple as much as possible. At the same time, they should be productive on the long term. For example, for myself here, as you can see, I have here on my app here, I have loads of things that I added here that I want to do each and every day. For example, my face routine, hair routine, hydrate, like drinking water, 3 to 5 liters. And as you can see, there is one here, which is the 500 dips. That's for training. So as you know, like this is a body weight exercise that I can do each and every day, anywhere. Let's say, for example, a day you didn't train, you didn't exercise, so you don't lose your shape. You'll always be in shape, because you can do this thing each and every day. So your muscle memory will be always, your body will stay in shape. So for example, if I want to do 500 push-ups each and every day, so this app will help you to be on top of your tasks. Once you do it, you're gonna do a check mark on it and it has been done. And after that, you're able to track, you're able to see the streak, how long you've been doing that certain task each and every day. You didn't miss a day. So if you're able, of course, to do each and every task of those for the 365 days for the new year, that's gonna be great, because you will have a streak in each and every task, or it's gonna be something like daily standard. You have to do it each and every day, no matter what your day goes by, or you get distracted. Just you have to do it each and every day. That's why this is one of the best apps actually that helped me to track and see if I'm actually on top of my daily tasks that I want to do each and every day. So the second app I use, which is the to-do list. So the to-do list, as you can see, this app is very simple. I just here note down what I want to do, like simple small tasks. Let's say, for example, you want to go tomorrow to visit someone, you want to you want to buy some you want to do shopping, you want to do this, do that. So you have everything here noted, and just to have the day organized. So there are certain daily tasks that are standards that you have to do each and every day that we're gonna track on the HabitMinder app. And the other one, which is the to-do list, it's just tasks that once finished, it's all set and done. So that helps you to organize your day and not to miss any important things. And also all of them has reminders. It will remind you each and every time to be done with all your tasks that you want to do. So the third app I have here, which is I believe that's one of the best ones because that helps me see the full bigger picture. For example, here, as you can see on the app here, I have the last goal by the end of the year, where I want to be by the end of the year. So for example, by the end of 2025, I want to have, for example, 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So I will write it down here, and then using HabitMinder, using the to-do list, using the notebook that I just spoke about, that you have each and everything noted down month by month to track your goals, I'm gonna work hard to achieve this bigger goal. So I'm gonna put in action each and every month, each and every week to be on top to make sure that each and every one of these end of year goals to be achieved. So step 4 is to be disciplined. This is the hardest part. Everyone starts with a bigger vision, bigger goals, very motivated. They got loads of notebooks, write down all the goals, write down all they want to do in the new year. And by January, by the end of the month, you just forget about everything and you repeat what you did in the past year. So that's why you have to be disciplined. Those apps will help you to be on top of things. They will remind you to do it, but you have from inside of you, you want to have to be very consistent and disciplined to do these things each and every day. That's why the HabitMinder app makes it easy for you. If you didn't train the day you're supposed to because you got sick, for example, you have at least a minimum barrier that you want to do each and every day. 20 or 30, you add your number, 100 push-ups a day. So if you do those 100 push-ups, it's something that will keep your body shape the same, because if you look at the bigger picture, if you want to do like 1,000 or 2,000 push-ups or something like a bigger number, you'll find it very heavy on you to take a step. So that's why you have to break it down in small things, just to make sure you stay disciplined and make sure you do these tasks each and every day. So as much higher streak as you have in each habit you have on the HabitMinder app, as much possible that you'll achieve all your goals by the new year. So in conclusion, you have one notebook to dump all your ideas, you have another notebook to plan and implement each and every one of those ideas that you think will work for you. And the last thing is the apps that will track you, to help you to track your tasks, you're keeping your life organized, what you want to do for the day, what you want to do for the month, the to-do list, the HabitMinder, and the goals app, which helps you to see the last end of your biggest goals. So it's better to start, even if it's tough at some times, because starting and having small progress each and every day is better than nothing. So even if you have small progress and you started to see each and every month when you look back what you were able to achieve for the first quarter of the year, second quarter, and so on and so forth, that's a lot better than just sleeping and not taking any steps. So that's it, guys, for today. So tell me in the comments down below, what do you think about all these steps that I've been trying to implement for the new year? Do you think that will be more productive for you? What you've been trying to do to be more focused on your goals? Share with me all these ideas down in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That will be a lot appreciated. And I'll see you in the next video where I'll be sharing with you my personal goals and plans, and we're gonna have a track on it together to see who achieves it by the end of the year and who's not. So see you in the next video, and peace out.